Welcome to channel. So guys, so first come to www.gigabyte.com. You can see this is officially website. After that, you just see here search button. You just click. After that, you enter your model number of your motherboard, Gigabyte B850 Eagle and Ice, and then hit enter. Then you can see here a product, and then click to title of here name. Then again go to this automatic to new tab. You can see this is your motherboard. Then click to support here. Select operating system which is using Windows 10 or 11. This is making a video for Windows 11, but if you are using Windows 10, so you can follow this method and you can install driver as a installation process same. Okay, so first you can see audio driver, so click to download. You can see 165 size M MB. Then it is downloaded. Just single click to setup. Okay, so this is extracted file. You can see here this is exe. Just double click. Now this is copy, and after it you can see here the extract to your system to for the then click to yes, and now this is extracted to its to your system. Now you can see this is audio driver is installing. Wait few seconds, it will complete it, so automatically closed. Okay, then close it. It is done.